What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we are going to be installing a new set of taillights. I'm super excited about this video today. So we finally received our Mabett Raptor Style Taillights. So they come packaged really well. They were also in another bigger Amazon box. I did get them off of Amazon. It comes with a color instruction sheet, and here is the unboxing. So here's a couple zip ties that come with it to put the wire to the body behind the taillights. And here are obviously your two taillights. They come with some plastic wrap over them, and they look really nice. The overall quality on these, they seem to be really good. I have not gotten them installed yet, obviously, but going off of the finish here, everything looks really nice. So I am super stoked to get these installed. I've been wanting these since I saw that they put them out and I first got the Bronco. So let's not waste any time. I have the factory halogen taillights. So we're gonna go remove the stock taillights and we're gonna get these in. Just a quick note I wanted to do about the installation. I had watched some videos from Mabett before that they had published, and it initially had shown that from the driver taillight, you had to run a resistor and a wire all the way under the weather stripping to the passenger side. It looks like they got rid of that, so you no longer need to do that. They just plug into the existing taillight harness, as you can see here, and they each have their individual resistors. So it makes installation much quicker and much easier. It's gonna be much more of a breeze. So let's get the stock taillights out, get these puppies in there, and see how they look and function. All right, so the first few steps, we're going to take off these two screws here. We're going to remove these three screws and push pins, and then we're going to pry this lower piece right away from the taillight. All right, so in order to remove this panel here, what I did was I just popped off the fender flare. So there's 5 of these. You just give them about a 90 to 180 degree turn, and you pull straight out, and the fender flare will disengage from the body and you can pull it off. Then this way I was able to get my hands right behind here, pull that out. Now we're gonna remove this screw and this screw, which I just did. And then we're also going to remove the screw down here, disconnect the taillight, and we're gonna take the whole assembly out. Once you have the taillight out like so, you're gonna take these 4 screws out, which are a 7mm, and we're gonna take this mounting bracket off and mount it to the new taillight. All right, guys, so we got the driver's side taillight put in. We still have to finish putting all the other panels back together, but let's just test it out, make sure that it works first before we put everything else together and continue on to the passenger side. All right, guys, so we got the driver's side one in about 25 minutes or so. Now we just have the passenger side to do. So here's a quick comparison of the difference. I mean, you can see how much nicer that the Raptor Style is. So let's get this one installed as well. right, guys, so that is it. The whole install took about an hour. They work flawlessly, as you could just see from the video that I posted up. Absolutely everything works on them. The brake lights, the regular running lights, the reverse lights, the turn signals, they are functioning perfectly. The fit is great on both of them. You can see they fit perfectly. There's no issues with either of these. Like, I had read some reviews. So like I said, I just got these from Mabett. Maybe they had updated them a little bit, but they fit perfectly. They were super easy to install, and the whole process took about an hour. So I'm gonna wait till it gets dark. I'll put up some videos and pictures. Hopefully this helps anyone who is interested in this product. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop it below, and I'll put the link of where I purchased these down in the description. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Bronco content.